macOS, the command line developer tool missing after updated to Monterey 12.6. My Apple MacBook Pro M1 2020 automatically updated to Monterey 12.6 recently. With the update, I have to agree with an Xcode agreement/license. After that, I found both Python and Git are no longer working properly. I got a pop-up saying, the Git command requires the command line developer tools. But after I installed the tool, the pop-up comes back and asks me to install the tool recursively. Any suggestion to fix the issue? When I run the Git command, I have the following error message.
I ran into the same error yesterday. It took a while to notice that the error itself has the solution smile. Indeed, running, skill build run first launch, fixed it for me.
Run. You might be prompted to accept a license. Do so. If you try to run Git, you'll still get an error. Run this. Now you should be able to use Git.
Yeah.